Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to overblow on a harmonica. This will be a beginner tutorial and I'll be giving you step-by-step instructions. Let's get right into the video. Now before you can overblow on the harmonica, I just want you to whistle for a second. And bear with me, you'll be playing the harmonica in just a few moments, but I want you to do this when you whistle. So whistle while blowing out, while exhaling, okay? So whistle while exhaling like this, and then make it go higher. What are you doing? You're moving your tongue forward to create a smaller airway for the air to escape out of your mouth. I'm doing this with my tongue. Okay, sorry, nose a little bit close to the camera there, but I really had to give you the idea of what I was doing. I'm taking my tongue and going in like this, forward and up. I want you to do the same thing while you're playing the harmonica, but essentially I want you to combine that with also blowing more air as you move your tongue forward. So get more air pressure as you move your tongue forward. So play the harmonica and then move your tongue forward to close the embouchure a little bit, and then exhale faster to create more air pressure. It's going to sound like this. Now, when you overblow, what you're essentially trying to do is you're trying to take a regular note and bring it sort of like a step higher at least. You can, some of the pros, that sound like I said some of the bros. I guess they're my bros too, because I play the harmonica. If they play the harmonica too, then they're my bros. But I meant some of the pros. Some of the pros can bend their notes and can overblow their notes way higher, okay? For myself, I'm a beginner, so I just want to overblow like a half step up, right? So something like if you're going from like a B, you're going to go to a B sharp, right? Or from a B to like a C flat, okay? You kind of get the idea. Or from a C to a C sharp for that matter. That makes a little bit more sense. So you're going to just blow and bring it a little bit higher. And then with practice, you don't have to exhale as much. You can essentially keep the same volume, just like this. Now I'm not blowing harder, I'm just bringing the note half a step up. And then you can, to make sure you're doing it right, you can go whoa, 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 like that. Okay? It looks like I'm going on the harmonica, but that's just because my tongue is moving so fast, like this. And that's how to overblow while playing a harmonica, to sort of bend that note sound upwards a little bit. A beginner can do it because I'm a beginner and I learned how to do it, and I've shown you step by step how to do it, so you should be okay after watching this video. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.